Hey everybody, welcome back to Mama Z's Texas Kitchen. Today we are making Reese's Peanut Butter Cup cookies. I hope you will enjoy this video. Be sure and give me a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, all those fun things. Let's get busy on today's video. Okay, so what you're gonna do to make these ridiculous little cookies is you need a stick and a half of butter. Now these are half stick butters, so it's going to take 3 of them. And I've softened them both in the microwave a little bit because I always forget to lay them out in time. And I've got a third of a cup, 3/4 of a cup of white sugar, and then you're going to put in 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar. And you're going to cream this together. And then you're going to add 1 egg at a time. Okay. Now I'm going to add my vanilla. Need a teaspoon of vanilla. Unfortunately, the vanilla that I have making is not ready yet, so I'm still using my store-bought vanilla. That's okay because I've got a lot of it to use. I buy it at Wholesale Club. Okay, get this mixed in. Okay. Try to get some of this off my beaters. Now we're going to start mixing in our dry ingredients. Try to wipe some of this off your sides. Again, if you have like a KitchenAid stand-up mixer, make this a lot easier, but I don't. I'm going to start doing more holiday-themed recipes because, well, we're almost to the holidays. And you know, we all have a lot that we can celebrate. I'm adding in 2 1/4 cups of flour. This is just whole wheat, all-purpose flour. And I'm just using this is because this is what I had on hand. And that's another reason I'm kind of shifting it. Kind of getting some of the bigger chunks out. But I had a lot of flour that I had bought up during the craziness. And, you know, I'm not going to buy more flour. So there it is. I'm adding some baking soda. Get this well mixed, and then we're going to add all the fun stuff. Okay. So I probably should have added this step before I added my flour, but you know, the joys of doing a cooking channel, you can't always go back and do retakes. But it'll turn out fine, so I'm not real worried. You need a half a cup of peanut butter. Now, the original recipe called for creamy. I'm adding crunchy because, you know, me and nuts, I like a little crunch. If it was completely up to me, I would be adding pecans to this too, but I got outvoted by my family. So, because they're like, Mom, you can't add nuts to everything. So I'm sneaking them in. Don't tell anybody. That's me being rebellious. Because by God, I want some nuts in my cookies. All right, so we're gonna mix the peanut butter in. All right, now, set this over here. Let's add in all the good stuff. First, we're gonna add in a cup of chocolate chips. Give or take. Okay, we're going to fold those in. And that would be good enough if we just had chocolate chips in there. But oh no, we're adding more. Reese's Minis. We're going to take about a cup, give or take. Guys, can I just say, my family, I'm like, stop eating these, guys. That's why I bought 2 bags, because I knew that they were going to go crazy. This is definitely my family's favorite candy, mine included. If I was going to pick a candy, it would definitely be Reese's. I'll have to look up the statistic, but I would be willing to venture, are y'all seeing this okay? I'd be willing to venture that Reese's is probably up there as one of the top candies in the world. And you just cut them in half. And these are already unwrapped, so you don't have to sit and unwrap a cajillion mini Reese's. You just have to cut them in half. So I'm going to finish these up and then we'll be right back. Got a little piece of parchment paper here. Kind of at the end of this roll. Got to get another one out. But we're going to take our little cookie deal here. All right, we're gonna put it in the oven and bake it for 8 to 12 minutes.
Okay, my friends, if you want a super rich, amazing little cookie, I encourage you to try this recipe. They're really good. We've already tried one, and it was really good. Reese's peanut butter cookies. Your family is gonna love these. Your friends are gonna be wowed by these. Try this recipe. I hope you will. I'll see y'all in the next video. Be sure and give me a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe.